Depends on which business you mean.
Smiling.
Sorry. Yes, but we work with lots of different businesses. Sorry. I don't want to be a shifty banker.
Keep it right here.
And we take their growth and they count they count on our they count on our advice and solutions. You got me screwed up. A little close, huh? They count on our advice and solutions to any problems that come up. Need a drink. They count on our advice and solutions. Felt like the slap chop guy.
Yeah. We're moving on.
I coach pretty well. Got to go take care of business.
Which one?
All of them. This is going to take a few takes.
Hang on a sec.